Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, May 23rd. The Zen story for today is titled The Bell That Never Rang. A novice monk arrived at a secluded monastery where an enormous bronze bell stood in the courtyard. He asked an elder, "When does the bell ring?" The elder smiled. "It does not." The novice frowned. "Why have a bell that is never struck?" The elder only swept the steps, saying nothing. Days passed. The novice meditated, swept, carried water, but his eyes always returned to the bell. One evening, unable to resist any longer, he approached it. He ran his fingers over the cold metal, tracing the carvings of swirling clouds. His heart pounded. He raised the mallet. The night air was still. The weight of silence pressed against him. He stood there for a long time. In the end, he set the mallet down. The bell remained silent. The next morning, the elder found him sweeping the steps. He didn't ask what had happened. The wind passed through the courtyard, carrying the hush of something that had never been heard. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, to arrive in stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. Is an action meaningful because it happens or because it doesn't? If the bell had rung, would the silence still remain? Is an action meaningful because it happens or because it doesn't? If the bell had rung, would the silence still remain? What is the weight of what you have not done? A word unspoken, a step not taken. Do they echo or do they fade? What is the weight of what you have not done? A word unspoken, a step not taken. Do they echo or do they fade? And now, if you'd like, let's do an experiment. Clap your hands, but stop just before they touch, and feel the space between sound and silence. Clap your hands, but stop just before they touch. Feel the space between sound and silence. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. Remember, I'm putting them and the suggestions for the practical moments of Zen into our private circle group. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.